Hey guys, I am making something from Chaat Chutney. It is for people who have asked for recipes that are quick to make, cheap and good for you. So I've chosen chicken fried rice. It's so easy and simple, and you will see how quick it is to make. Starting with a hot pan, add a couple of tablespoons of sunflower oil, and once that is hot, I'm going to add 2 to 3 garlic cloves which I have chopped finely, and I've got 1 centimeter of ginger which is chopped as well. That goes straight in with 1 green chili which I've roughly chopped so that in case I want to take it out, otherwise it might get too hot. Then I'm going to add the spring onions. I've got around 10 to 12 spring onions, and I'm just keeping a handful of the green aside for when I want to serve it. Quick mix, and what we want to do is just cook it for a couple of minutes on high heat, just kind of stir fry it. Once that is done, I've got 200 grams of chicken breast which I have chopped into small pieces so that it is quick to cook as well. I'm going to cook this on a high heat, just stir fry it so that the chicken's done in 3 to 4 minutes. Chicken's all cooked and it's time for all the sauces. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You can use any kind you want. I'm using the dark soy sauce. And I've got some rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of that, 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. If you don't have chili garlic sauce, you can add any chili sauce you have, or if you have some green chili sauce, you can add that. A quick stir in. Next goes in the cooked white rice, and I'm going to add 300 grams which will serve 4 people. If you have any leftover, even if it's coming straight out of the fridge, it's absolutely fine. Just chuck it all in. It's really nice dish to use up all your leftover rice. A quick mix, a nice combining everything well, and it's ready to serve. And here it is, chicken fried rice ready in minutes. If you want some gorgeous Indian recipes, don't forget to get my book Chaat Chutney, which is available in most countries on Amazon and some bookstores. Anyways, time to get this going. I'm just making sure I don't eat that whole chili I put that in. It's just got the right balance. It's got just, the soy sauce. Everything's simple, easy, quite cheap to make and good for you. So please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up. See you next week with a brand new recipe. Till then, bye.